Understanding Drone Programming, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating and technologically advanced topic, drone programming. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about modern technologies, this video will clarify what drone programming entails and why it's becoming increasingly important in our world. Let's dive in. Before delving into drone programming, it's crucial to understand what a drone is. A drone, also known as an unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, is a type of aircraft without a human pilot on board. Drones can be as small as your hand or as large as a small airplane. They are known for their versatility and are used for various purposes, including photography, surveillance, agriculture, and even delivery services. Drones are controlled remotely by a human operator or autonomously through pre-programmed plans or more complex dynamic automation systems. Now, let's talk about drone programming. This involves writing computer code to control a drone's flight patterns and behaviors. When we program a drone, we tell it how to behave in different situations. For example, programming can dictate how a drone takes off, flies, avoids obstacles, and lands. It can also involve more complex tasks like following moving objects or coordinating with other drones. Drone programming is becoming increasingly significant due to the expanding role of drones in various industries. For instance, agriculture. Drones can be programmed to monitor crop health and distribute pesticides. Search and rescue. Drones can be programmed to search for missing persons in challenging terrains. Delivery services. Companies are experimenting with drones for delivering goods to customers. These examples show how drone programming can lead to innovative solutions in many fields. Interested in learning drone programming? It typically involves learning a programming language, such as Python or JavaScript, and understanding the drone's hardware and software. Many online resources and courses can help beginners start this exciting journey. I hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of what drone programming is and why it's a topic worth exploring. Drones and their programming capabilities represent a leap forward in technology and innovation. If you're intrigued, consider delving deeper into this subject. The possibilities are limitless. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next English learning adventure.